has them. So how do you install a concrete anchor? So these are concrete anchors. These are Tapcons. You want to drill a hole, and in this case, we got a cinder block wall. But now you're like, whoa, it goes nice and smooth. And then what happens is you put the screw into the hole like this. Oh, and it just, and it's like, whoa, it's just spinning. And then it's like, this is terrible. But what do you do when the screw isn't holding? Well, you just give up, actually. But no, what I do, I take a zip tie and I just measure, okay, this is the zip tie length. So I'll pause now. So I cut a piece of zip tie, just like that. And then I get my screw, a concrete screw, and just line it up. See that? Now the zip tie is holding, got the screw tangled and held the zip tie in place. Any questions? This always works, almost always.